Before I start this informative video, I would like to tell you that we greatly appreciate your likes, comments, and shares and subscribe. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can achieve our 2024 goals. Let's get started. Multimedia on the web is sound, music, videos, movies, and animations. What is multimedia? Multimedia comes in many different formats. It can be almost anything you can hear or see, like images, music, sound, videos, records, films, animations, and more. Web pages often contain multimedia elements of different types and formats. Browser support. The first web browsers had support for text only, limited to a single font in a single color. Later came browsers with support for colors, fonts, images, and multimedia. Multimedia formats. Multimedia elements, like audio or video, are stored in media files. The most common way to discover the type of a file is to look at the file extension. Multimedia files have formats and different extensions like .wav, MP3, MP4, .mpg, .wmv, and .avi. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.